also thank all of our staff that has organized this event and has done such a good job.
I am Rabia Dastagir and I'm honored to welcome you all to the annual fundraiser by the Citizens Foundation.
इंतखाब अहमद साहब, मैं मोहम्मद हनीफ नयानी बोल रहा हूँ पोर्ट कोकटलम ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया से। आपका प्रोग्राम हम हमेशा देखते हैं और इंशाअल्लाह हमेशा देखते रहेंगे। आपकी जो कोशिशें हैं उसको हम सराहते हैं। आप जो काम कर रहे हैं कम्युनिटी के लिए वो बेमिसाल है। हम दुआ करते हैं आप इन कोशिशों में हमेशा कामयाब रहें। आप एक मुजाहिद हैं।
I'll show you what they just do.
Now it's fashion show में there are ladies who are artists and the models are here. So people are waving at the camera for DAPTV and see their work. They are getting ready and this is what I'm waving hands and with one hand here. Yeah, that's nice. This is a very private moment for them. They are getting ready. So who will be the most beautiful person here? We'll find out. दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ आज यहाँ पंजाबी चैनल के दिवाली गाला पे हाजिर हैं और देखिए यहाँ पे कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जो हैं जमा हैं और इट्स अ बिग शो। दिवाली गाला में ये देखिए ये हमारे बंदे आए हुए हैं, मलिक साहब आए हुए हैं दिवाली गाला में। आप ये देखिए माशाल्लाह हेलो दिवाली गाला में ये जनाब अपनी कम्युनिटी यहाँ पे जॉब डाइवर्सिटी फॉर ऑल। दैट्स वेरी गुड। हैप्पी दिवाली का केक है यहाँ पे। सटन वेस्ट कोस्ट रियलिटी के सनी रियल्टर से रब्ता कायम कीजिए 778-758-2000 778-758-2000 पर रब्ता कायम कीजिए। रियल एस्टेट की दुनिया में एक ही नाम सनी रियल्टर। आपको अपनी जायदाद की खरीद और फरोख्त के लिए सरे में हलाल मीट के लिए कॉस्टलो हलाल मीट से रब्ता कायम कीजिए। यूनिट 109-130-3076 एवेन्यू पर रब्ता कायम कीजिए। 778-816-1000 778-816-1000 हलाल मीट के लिए एक ही नाम कॉस्टलो हलाल मीट। नाज़रीन, दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ इंतखाब अहमद आज सिटी ऑफ सरे में यहाँ पे फर्स्ट काउंसिल मीटिंग हुई है और उस मीटिंग का हवाला आपको दिखाते हैं और देखते रहिए दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ इंतखाब अहमद।
Inauguration today, they had their first council meeting. They had a couple motions that will hopefully look into changing what Surrey is going to be happening today, but we'll see.
The first part of business today is for appointing the directors and alternate directors to Metro Vancouver Board of Directors for 2019. Mayor McCallum has recommended the appointments to Metro Vancouver Regional District Board of Directors and assigned the votes per director. So the following motion is put forth, that there's 6 appointee directors, and that would be Director McCallum with 5 votes, Councillor Director Alford with 5 votes, Director Guara with 4 votes, and Councillor Pettigrew with 4 votes, Councillor Locke with 4 votes, Councillor Hundal with 4 votes, and then that Councillor Nagra, Councillor Patton, Councillor Annis be appointed as alternates to the other directors and attend rotation as in past practice.
Thank you very much. The motion's on the floor. Mover?
I'll move it.
And the seconder?
I'll second it.
Okay, any discussion on it? All in favor? Against? Carried. Madam Clerk, second motion.
Second motion is for establishing a Surrey Police Department, whereas the BC Police Act 1996 outlines that policing service delivery options for municipalities in the excess of population of 5,000 persons, whereas one of those options is the establishment of a city police department. And whereas the citizens of Surrey in the October 20th, 2018 municipal election strongly expressed a desire for such a police department for the city of Surrey, the following motion is put forward. That Council directs staff to take all appropriate steps to immediately create a Surrey Police Department in accordance with the BC Police Act, and Council further directs staff to notify the federal and provincial governments that the City of Surrey is terminating its contract for the RCMP Municipal Police Force.
Okay, the motion's on the floor. Somebody to move it?
I will move it.
I will second.
Seconder? Okay, any discussion?
Having started end of my career with the RCMP here in Surrey, I support the motion. I would like to also recognize the past and ongoing service from the members of the RCMP as we undergo this process. We must also be mindful of the public and the ongoing efforts for continued public safety and the financial impact to the city and the taxpayers. So, thank you.
Thank you. Any further discussion? Oh, sorry, Doug? Belford?
First, I want to say that I have the utmost respect for the members of the RCP who police our city. I believe it is time for a change to our policing model in Surrey. The people of Surrey have told us they want change. I have advocated for change for some time because I believe a municipal police force serves the needs of the city best. The community and neighborhoods have spoken, and they tell me they want a safer, more livable community. Our vision is to make Surrey the safest city in Canada.
Have done to protect us in the city of Surrey, particularly those that are dealing with us on a day in and day out. So a big thank you to you for all you've done. Thank you. I also wanted to say, while the Surrey First, which was the group that I ran with, I'm the lone person here. I have agreed that I would like to support Mayor McCallum and Council, as this is one of their major platform issues. We were looking at it slightly different, but I would like to extend my support to you, and we'll be there to provide any.
Thank you very much. Any further comments? Councillor Pettigrew?
I'll try this out here. All right, so I'm also very thankful for the police officers, but that's not the whole picture. This is part of a process, and we all need to be part of this. It's right from when I was out there campaigning over the last several weeks, I'm hearing this from the people, that they're concerned about their children, their communities, the schools. This is part of a multi-step process that we need to do to take back our city. And this is what we need to all need to be involved in this, with their families, stronger schools, and we need to just take back our city. And this is one step of it, so I just want to make people clear of that. This is part of, there's more things to be done, and we'll be doing those as well. We've been listening to you, and just, I'm so thankful for the officers that they've putting their lives on the line for us. That's an incredible thing that they do for us. I'm so thankful for that. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much. Any further discussion? Okay, just a few words. I would like to thank the RCMP for the tremendous amount of work and effort in making our city safe over so many years. I believe very strongly that Surrey has outgrown the RCMP. We're the last major city in Canada that doesn't have our own city police force, but I also recognize that they truly have done a great job for the city of Surrey, and I want to thank them for all the effort that they have been doing and all the officers that they have had over many years, including 9 years when I was mayor. They did do a great job for the city. And I feel very, very strongly that we need to move in a different direction now. And so I certainly, too, will be supporting the motion. So with that, I'm going to call the question on the motion. All in favor? Okay, motion is carried unanimously. Thank you. Madam Clerk, if you could read the third motion.
The next motion is to cancel the Surrey Newton Guildford SNG LRT and build SkyTrain from King George to Langley City. Whereas in this October 20th, 2018 municipal election, the citizens of Surrey strongly expressed a desire to cancel the Surrey Newton Guildford Light Rail Transit project and build SkyTrain from the existing King George SkyTrain station into Langley City. Whereas the authority responsible for delivering transit services in Surrey is TransLink, under the authority given in the South Coast British Columbia Transportation Authority Act by the province of British Columbia. Whereas the SNG LRT project is part of TransLink's current Phase 2 investment plan 2018 to 2027, which is funded by federal, provincial, and regional governments. Whereas TransLink has the responsibility to deliver, operate, and maintain the project and Phase 2 investment plan. And whereas the Mayor's Council in its 10-year vision on Metro Vancouver transit and transportation has committed to build 27 kilometers of rapid transit connecting Surrey Centre with Langley, Guildford, and Newton as part of its Phase 2 and Phase 3 investment plans. The following motion is put forth. That Council direct staff stop all work on the SNG LRT project and immediately start working with TransLink on a SkyTrain extension from the existing King George SkyTrain station to Langley City, and that Council request the Mayor's Council and the TransLink board to cancel the SNG LRT project and immediately initiate a new SkyTrain extension project along Fraser Highway by changing the technology originally proposed in the Phase 2 investment plan to SkyTrain and reallocating all available funds in the Phase 2 plan dedicated for rapid transit in Surrey and Langley to start the SkyTrain extension toward Langley as soon as possible. And that Council request that the Mayor's Council to seek the required funding for Phase 3 plan of the 10-year vision as soon as possible to complete all 27 kilometers of rapid transit in Surrey and Langley.
Doug, I'm from DAPTV. I have a question. First of all, congratulations on winning election. And talking about rapid transit through the city, I have another question. Beside from city of Surrey to Langley, in the middle of the city, we need a real rapid transit from Nodal Way to Langley kind of or connection, or maybe from Nodal Way.
Okay, I'll answer that because I think I've probably answered enough people are leaving. Very quickly, we have two stages on SkyTrain. One along Fraser Highway from our city center to Langley. Second stage along King George Highway, all the way from our city center to Newton and then out to South Surrey.
Famous last week, we could everything.
वैंकूवर की जान दिल
दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।
इंतखाब अहमद साहब, मैं मोहम्मद हनीफ नयानी बोल रहा हूँ, पोर्ट कोकटलम, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया से। आपका प्रोग्राम हम हमेशा देखते हैं और इंशाअल्लाह हमेशा देखते रहेंगे। आपकी जो कोशिशें हैं उसको हम सराहते हैं। आप जो काम कर रहे हैं कम्युनिटी के लिए वो बेमिसाल है। हम दुआ करते हैं आप इन कोशिशों में हमेशा कामयाब रहें। आप एक मुजाहिद हैं, पाकिस्तान से दूर रहकर, और हमारे लिए पाकिस्तान की हर खबर, हर वो एक्टिविटी जो यहाँ होती है आप हमें हर हफ्ते दिखाते हैं। इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। देने के लिए हमारे पास और कुछ नहीं है। आप इतना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं तो हम आपकी सिर्फ तारीफ़ और आपको हम हौसला अफजाई कर सकते हैं, ताकि आपके जो जज्बात और आपके जो काम करने के जो तरीके हैं वो और अच्छे हों और हमें और अच्छे प्रोग्राम देखने को मिले। आप मुजाहिद हैं और हम दुआ करते हैं कि आपका प्रोग्राम दिन दूनी रात चौगनी तरीक करे। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, आपका प्रोग्राम पाइंदाबाद। खुदा हाफिज।
I am Rabia Dil and I'm honored to welcome you all to the annual fundraiser by the Citizens Foundation. To formally begin the event tonight, I would like to call Farwa Arsalan on stage, and she will recite a few verses from the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Farwa Arslan, and today I will be reciting Surah Al-Mursalat from Juz 29. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والمرسلات عرفا فالعاصفات عصفا والناشرات نشرا فالفارقات فرقا فالملقيات ذكرا عذرا أو نذرا إنما توعدون لواقع فإذا النجوم طمست وإذا السماء فرجت وإذا الجبال نسفت وإذا الرسل أقتت لأي يوم أجلت ليوم الفصل وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل ويل يومئذ للمكذبين ألم نهلك الأولين ثم نتبعهم الآخرين كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين ويل
64,000 Canadian dollars. It takes $32,000 to support, on average, basically across Pakistan. On average, it takes 32,000 Canadian dollars to support a single school unit. And because we're supporting two school unit, so the cost comes to be around 64,000 Canadian. And tonight we are honored that we have a very special guest from Calgary. He is the pride of all Pakistani Canadians, Dr. Naveed Sayyed, who was awarded Tamga Imtiaz from Government of Pakistan last year, and also Canada 150 award by the Canadian government. He is the first person to have connected a brain cell with a silicon chip, and we can't thank you enough, sir, for coming here all the way from Calgary to support the cause. Thank you very much. And we are really fortunate to have you. Thank you. Later in the evening, we'll have Maria Hashmi from Chicago as a lead performer for the Mehfil Musiqi that we have after dinner.
नाज़रीन, यहाँ पे रसलीला के नाम से एक फैशन शो हो रहा है। जिस जगह पे हो रहा है वो बारबेक्यू विलेज के इरफान अली साहब, वो मेरे सामने खड़े हैं इस वक्त। आइए इनसे पूछते हैं। इरफान साहब, आप बताएंगे, आपने बहुत बड़ा इवेंट यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
सर, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, वी ऑलरेडी ट्रांसफॉर्म द होल बैंक्वेट हॉल टुवर्ड्स फैशन रैम। सो यही मैसेज है सब लोगों को कि वी कैन कन्वर्ट बैंक्वेट हॉल टू एनीथिंग। यू कैन मेक इट इवेंट, शादी ब्याह, फैशन शो, get together, birthday parties, you can do a lot of things. So we already, आप जानते हैं, जैसे कि पहले भी आपको दिखा चुके हैं कि हम काफ़ी दफ़ा इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर चुके हैं। This is the new place, and I'm definitely inviting all the people in Vancouver to please come forward and have a look. यहाँ पे माशाल्लाह काफ़ी अच्छे डिज़ाइनर ड्रेस आए हैं, and we are proud to be the part of the Pakistani designer fashion show, and which is alhamdulillah Allah देखने वाला है।
जी, पाकिस्तान का पहला शो हो रहा है यहाँ पे, जो कि बारबेक्यू विलेज बारबेक्यू में हो रहा है।
Well, we're so excited. All of us, I'm sure, are very excited to be here, and because the models are going to look great, and we are giving our best services to make them the prettier for the event. And I wish Parvesh Jai best of luck for his great event. Thank you.
We will rock for Parvesh.
And also for Ishan.
Yeah, for Ishan too.
Yeah, Zishan and Parvesh Rai and the whole team, I will say that there are people are putting their efforts here and outside as well. Okay, keep watching Dil Apna Pakistan.
जीवे जीवे मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान, कुर्बान इस पे दिल मेरा और वारी मेरी जान। जीवे 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 मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान, कुर्बान इस पे दिल मेरा और वारी मेरी जान। जीवे पाकिस्तान मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान जीवे पाकिस्तान। जीवे 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 मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान, कुर्बान इस पे दिल मेरा और वारी मेरी जान। किसान सोना 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 जीवे 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 मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान कुर्बान इस पे दिल मेरा और वारी मेरी जान नगरी में लोग बड़े दिल वाले हैं ये धरती गर्मों वाली है और हम इसके रखवाले हैं जन्नत जैसी नगरी में लोग बड़े दिल वाले हैं सारी दुनिया से है अच्छा मुल्क पाकिस्तान सोना 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 जीवे 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 मेरा सोना पाकिस्तान कुर्बान इस पे
रियल स्टेट की दुनिया में एक ही नाम सनी रियल्टर सटन वेस्ट कोस्ट रियलिटी के सनी रियल्टर से रब्ता कायम कीजिए 7787582000 7787582000 पर रब्ता कायम कीजिए सनी रियल्टर आपकी जायदाद की खरीद और फरोख्त के लिए 7787582000 सरे में हलाल मीट के लिए कॉस्टलो हलाल मीट से रब्ता कायम कीजिए यूनिट 109130376 एवेन्यू पर रब्ता कायम कीजिए 778816